Staying ahead of trending products on TikTok can give Amazon sellers a major competitive advantage by spotting viral opportunities before they hit mainstream markets. In this video, you will learn how to use Helium 10's Hot Videos feature to identify trending TikTok content that drives real product sales, analyze successful video scripts, and influencer strategies, as well as leverage these insights to boost your Amazon business or expand to TikTok shop. If you want to try Helium 10 and its all its tools, you will find the link below in the description. And don't forget to use the code ORANGE10 to get 10% off your monthly subscription.
Hello Shivali, thank you for joining me for today's video to introduce TikTok Hot Videos, which is a powerful way how Amazon sellers could spot emerging trends early and potentially turn them into new products. Before we go into that, could you first introduce yourself and also give us an overview what Helium 10 is and how do you support e-commerce sellers?
Yes, my name is Shivali Patel. I'm a senior brand evangelist at Helium 10, and Helium 10 is a software suite of tools that helps the Amazon, Walmart, or TikTok shop seller to really get started as well as to scale that business. Of course, our goal is to make money online, and we want to be able to support you through that process, be it through product research, keyword research, listing optimization, marketing analytics, ads, or even just expanding out. So that means if you're selling on Amazon and you want to start selling on TikTok Shop, we give you the tools to make that as easy as possible. And I think Hot Videos today is going to be a great example of that.
Perfect. And before I let you join the stage and kind of show us how does it work, let's clarify one thing about Hot Videos. So is it an important thing to pay attention to when you're selling on TikTok shop, or is it also important for Amazon sellers to know what it is and look into it?
It's both, because I believe there's some sort of saying out there that says it takes somebody 12 times of brand awareness before they actually purchase from you. And naturally on Amazon, that's not always the case. If you're ranking at the top, you've got really great social proof. But everybody doesn't start there, right? Most people, they have to actually build their credibility as a brand, their awareness as a brand. Amazon comes with the trust, but it's up to you to really maximize the touch points for the customer so they get excited about it and you can make more revenue at the end of the day. And Hot Videos, for that reason, is not only important for the TikTok shop seller who's trying to generate their videos, their library online, but also for the Amazon seller who at some point hopes to either transition over to the platform or they just want to grow the brand awareness and get the hype. I remember a long time ago, I was looking at a niche and on Amazon, it was still developing. There wasn't a whole lot going on. I looked over at TikTok Shop. There was nothing at all. And this at the time, for Hot Videos, I wouldn't have had a bunch. But once that niche started to populate, there was one or two brands that were dominating. And the only difference I could find was they were on TikTok Shop, not TikTok Shop, TikTok alone, pumping out videos. Okay. Every time I would scroll, they started following me around the internet because they were posting so many. And so being able to have that sort of touch point with your consumers, you're going to see a halo effect on Amazon, whether you sell on TikTok Shop or not. So I think it's a really great tool to use to figure out what's working, what is getting the views, what's getting the traction, what's making people interested and go over to Amazon to want to purchase, who's even buying on TikTok Shop. So it doesn't really matter whether you are on the platform or not. I think it is important even as an Amazon seller.
Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So what are Hot Videos? Are they just some trendy videos we see when we open up TikTok and we just scroll there?
It kind of is, yeah. The trending products. So many people who are getting started in the space will come up to me and they say, what's working? What's selling in this space? Well, that's changing all the time, right? And it's dependent not only on the season or what's going on right now. LISETT and I are recording this during Christmas time, and not everybody celebrates Christmas, but we naturally see some Christmas things kind of filter into the system. However, what else is there? People like a great hook. People like the curiosity, what is piquing the interest in the first 3 seconds? What's the body? How do you make the sale, actually? What is the benefit? How's the benefit conveyed? And all of these things, there's some folks who do it really, really well, and some folks who make videos that they think are going to hit and they don't. So what is the difference? And can we actually use that to duplicate the success for our own brands? And that's where Hot Videos comes in. It shows you which videos are trending that has the product sales. And so you can go in, take the script, as well as check out which influencer made it. And you can kind of take their playbook for example, and do it for yourself.
Okay, very cool. And can you show us how does it work?
Yeah, absolutely. So I will share my screen here. If you guys have a Helium 10 account, definitely go and open this up and try it for yourself. And if not, I know LISETT has a code for you guys, limited time promotion. And so you guys will want to definitely take advantage of that. That should be in the description. So here we have discover trending TikTok videos that drive real product sales. You can type in a particular search. Let's say you are selling something like fitness pants, yoga pants. You can type that in right here. Or you can go into categories if you're looking for something a little bit more broad. Why would you look for something broad? Well, anytime I'm teaching keyword research for Amazon, some things I say is when you're looking at your keywords, you want to have three sort of keywords. You want to have your top keywords, things that everybody else is utilizing and generating sales for. You want to use some opportunity keywords where not all of your competitors are using, but some of them are. So that way you can rank at the top because your other competitors aren't. And then you want to have some supplementary keywords. What are those? Those can be things like frequently bought together on an Amazon page. So not necessarily the same exact product you're selling, but something tangent. And that's where in categories for TikTok hot videos, you can also think about it from that angle. Is these are going to be the supplementary videos where the audience type is similar and these are still going to be the videos that are working. And so you can take the setup of it as well as reach out to the influencer and say, okay, I know this influencer is doing something similar, and so I can kind of piggyback off of that. You also have the time frame. So do you want to find videos that did well in the last 7 days or in the last 14 days? Okay, so it's really going to be up to you. When I go into search, let's say I already have some down here, but let's type in yoga pants. Really basic. This is my first time making this search. We can type something in here, select something. I'm just going to click apply and see what's going on. I've been primed. LISETT and I were looking at yoga pants earlier. So maybe we should go into something different before I pull up let's say auto tracking tripod. So I've put in auto tracking tripod and this is going to be the last 7 days. All right. When I am taking a look at this, I'm going to want to make sure that my items sold are in descending order. So here we have 790 items sold in the last 7 days. A great engagement rate that we're seeing, about 3K shares. Now, we would love to see metrics like this, so let's check out what the video looks like.
I don't have to move my tripod around a whole bunch of times when I'm trying to make content. All I need is this 360-degree tracking tripod I got right here. It's got a power button on it. One of the really cool things is you don't have to download any apps. You don't have to hook up to Bluetooth. You don't have to do any of that stuff. Turn the power button on, and it's going to follow you all over the place just like this. Comes with the tripod. You get a couple of phone holders. It does have this little remote, which I'll show you here in a second. It's got some really cool features to it too. So say I want to get out of frame for any reason, I'm going to put my hand up like that. It's going to stop tracking me. That allows me to get out of frame, do what I need to do, grab something from my video, check on the kids. When I'm ready for it to start tracking again, give it the little okie dokie sign just like that. It's right back to tracking, man. That's pretty cool, right? Let me show you what you get. So you get this really nice tripod right here. Here goes your tracker. This just screws on the top of it.
All right, we can continue watching this video, but as you can see, he's done a pretty good job showcasing the benefit of having this tripod versus something else, because I know that for most of us that have a generic tripod, it definitely doesn't do that. It just stays there. You're constantly fixing it. You got to do the manual focus, autofocus. This seems to track him pretty well. Things are clear. I can see his house really nicely. And he's about to show us how, the setup is probably, how big it is, how small, whatever. And you can take all of this and create a video just like that and hope for something similar here in sales. Alternatively, you can always reach out to this influencer yourself if instead of creating the video for your own, let's say, social media page, you actually are trying to just find influencers. So a lot of really great stuff that can come out of using the hot videos feature, and I definitely recommend that you try it out.
Okay, Shivali, thank you very much for introducing the hot videos. I think this example of this product was a perfect video to see how influencers and people are able to make videos which are relatively short, easy, organic, but really give this effect that I need this product, because we were briefly discussing before that I even didn't know exactly what this product is. And after looking at this video, I'm really thinking like, wow, I might need it in my life, although I never thought about it. So I guess that's how these hot videos work and how it kind of has the effect on the purchase behavior, because I would not necessarily go on Amazon and search for this product by keyword. But if I'm on TikTok, I might kind of discover it and I might like it, and then I might either buy it through TikTok Shop or on Amazon. So it's really cool how Helium 10 is developing with different tools and features to support e-commerce sellers, not just with the Amazon related things, but also with TikTok Shop and Walmart and all the other things. To give us a short overview, what else do you have for people who are either expanding to TikTok Shop or are already kind of doing the first steps there to understand the power of your suite?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have a little sell on TikTok page, and you can just select that once you're inside of your Helium 10 dash, and it'll show you all the different tools that we have for TikTok or for Amazon, going over from Amazon to TikTok. You have your product finder, hot videos, which we just covered, find influencers, profitability calculator. If you are already selling on Amazon, the profits are going to look a little bit different if you start selling on TikTok Shop. And so you'll want to do that first. I always recommend doing that first. Make sure that it makes sense for your business before you try to get onto this very exciting opportunity. You have listing converter. If you already sell on Amazon, being able to sync those listings, you can actually bulk convert hundreds of SKUs over to TikTok Shop in seconds. So you don't have to worry about, oh, where are my images? Where are my bullet points? Like, you don't need any of that. You have TikTok profits, TikTok ads, so you can see all of that in one place. Automate fulfillment, so you can sync both from Amazon, select your SKU, your listing, and then map it out so that TikTok Shop's listing is connected. And anytime somebody places an order, it'll pull from that. Even for the influencers, obviously, after you have the syncing and the listings up and all that jazz, you're going to want to find influencers for even more videos outside of, let's say, creating your own using hot videos. So you can go into hot videos and find influencers like we did before, or you can go in to find influencers and select certain parameters like what's their engagement rate look like, how many shoppable videos have they posted, do they do shoppable lives, and that sort of thing. And from there, actually message those influencers too. Now, when you're messaging influencers, you might think, oh, I got to pay influencers. You don't. You can do a fixed fee. But alternatively, you can also just say, hey, I'm actually going to do a refundable sample, or I'm going to provide a free sample, in which case, since you have things synced, it's going to pull automatically from your Amazon inventory so long as you say automatically approve. So if you do manually approve, then it's not going to do that. But if you automatically approve, you literally are so hands-off afterwards. Yeah, you can take all that time and just put it on what you want to actually focus on and grow. But these are all the things that you can do. If you forget what I said or yapped about in this video, just go back to Sell on TikTok and you'll be able to get a great rundown and just go through it one step at a time.
And to highlight what Shirali mentioned in the beginning of the video, Helium 10 also has tools for Walmart sellers, or if you're a brand who wants to expand to Walmart. So definitely check out the link in the video description below. And if you have any questions about either of the tools they have, leave them down in the video as comments, and we're going to ask Shirali and Helium 10 to come back and answer those questions as well. So thanks again for your time and for educating our community, and we're looking forward to have you back on our channel.
Thank you so much.
I hope this video will help you to identify trending TikTok content and use these insights to boost your Amazon business. And if you are interested what Helium 10 does in terms of TikTok and TikTok Shop, check the link below in the description, as well as if you sign up with them, use Orange10 coupon code to get 10% off your monthly subscription. Also, hit like and subscribe buttons below this video, and if you have additional comments, leave them in the comments section below. And now I recommend you to watch more videos on how to use Helium 10 tools for different aspects of your Amazon FBA journey. So it's the whole playlist of Helium 10 videos, so enjoy.